Hi friends, whether you are a startup or a learner or a business enthusiast, these questions may have triggered in your mind why mobile app development is important. Let us help you with that. It is crucial aspect of modern business and communication which is required in order to deal with your customers. Every business needs a communication layer, and to help you with that, we have a solution for that is using app development. Now, if any business looking for app development that can be a serve purpose, then this can be a right decision for your business. We have different set of various sectors like healthcare, travel, banking, manufacturing, education, sports. All these sectors we have apps, and people are engaging into new apps concept with respect to the same concepts. Now in the market we have AI technologies in which we develop apps and provide some better solutions for the customers. We have IoT technologies, there we use to learn and provide some smart city solutions for our end users. All these sectors are the global impact on any economy or any business. If you analyze what is the bandwidth in 2024, 8.1 billion population all over the world downloaded 299 billion of apps. 299 times this is. So every user, you can consider, almost downloaded 300 of apps. The total revenue